Understanding forklift maintenance. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone working in or interested in the logistics and warehouse industry: forklift maintenance. Understanding this will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into an important aspect of workplace safety and efficiency. Let's get started on why maintaining a forklift is crucial and what it involves. A forklift is a powerful industrial vehicle used to lift and move materials over short distances. It has become indispensable in the manufacturing and warehousing operations. Before we delve into maintenance, it's important to understand the role forklifts play in daily operations, ensuring the smooth handling of goods and materials. Maintenance refers to the regular checkups and repairs equipment needs to keep it running smoothly and safely. For forklifts, maintenance is not just about keeping the machine running. It's about ensuring safety, longevity, and efficiency. Regular maintenance can prevent accidents, reduce downtime, and save money on costly repairs. 1. Daily checks. Operators should perform visual and operational checks before using the forklift each day. This includes checking fluid levels, brakes, tires, and ensuring the forks are in good condition. 2. Regular servicing. This involves more detailed inspections and services performed at scheduled intervals, often by a professional. It includes changing the oil, inspecting the hydraulic system, and checking the electrical components. 3. Battery maintenance. For electric forklifts, battery care is crucial. This includes regular charging according to the manufacturer's guidelines and ensuring the battery terminals are clean and connections are tight. 4. Tire inspection and replacement. Forklift tires wear down over time and must be checked regularly to ensure they are safe and operational. Worn tires can affect the forklift's handling and stability. 5. Safety inspections. These are comprehensive checks to ensure all safety features, like seat belts and warning lights, are functioning properly. Understanding forklift maintenance is not just for technicians. Operators must be trained to perform daily checks and recognize signs of potential problems. Proper training ensures that everyone understands their role in maintaining the forklift, contributing to a safer work environment. Forklift maintenance is a critical aspect of warehouse and logistics operations, ensuring safety, efficiency, and the longevity of the equipment. Remember, a well-maintained forklift is a safer, more reliable machine. We hope this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of what forklift maintenance entails and why it's so important. Stay safe and keep learning.